The Borg has spoken. We will bring in Pioneer, and we will make it work. All right, Mrs. Vice President, you're on in 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Vice President Kamala Harris. I want you to vote for me for President of the United States. Believe me, unless you are a morally bankrupt billionaire, you need me, not Donald Trump, in the White House. Whether or not the President of the United States still has any real authority. Whether or not the Democrats have been absorbed into the BlackRock Borg collective. And whether or not I am whom I said I was or whom I say I am. We all know for sure that I am the only non-loser candidate running for president who is not named Donald J. Trump. So vote for me and hope that once I do start talking about what the country needs, it makes some sort of sense in at least one of our 200 languages. If you're wearing cool shades or have a loved one or an armed neighbor who is wearing FaceHuggers, ask for help at the nearest Taiwanese embassy. If you still have control over your own eyes, turn off the TV, cut internet, and read a book. Any book. Then read another book, please. And vote in Fatal November, won't you? Vote for me and hope for the best. Good day or good night, and God bless America.